in terms of size, it's
Mhm.
3 times step up from the first one. Yeah. Does that mean that how does the CVC fund, VC fund, fit into Olympus's broader innovation-led strategy?
Yeah, absolutely. From an OIV perspective, the goals are pretty simple. One, to generate M&A pipeline for
Mm,
Olympus,
mm,
and two, to help generate financial returns on the things that don't necessarily go to M&A pipeline,
mm,
right? And I think that holding those two things hand in hand enable us to work as this institutional investor who happens to have one major large LP behind us who can bring a ton of value to the table,
mm,
right?
mm,
And so for us, as we look at OIV2 and what are we hoping to do, why did we increase it so much? We wanted to be competitive in the market, right? And get ourselves access to the best deals at both the early, mid, and late stages,
mm,
right? And because having access to all those different kinds of deals ultimately help us build up a pipeline that's going to be there for the years to
mm,
come, right?
mm,
So it's not like you're having all of these early stage companies that are come to maturity at the same time, and
mm,
you're going to have to choose between them. But we're thinking about how can we stagger
mm,
the investments and the stage of those investments to diversify our portfolio in a really sound financial way, but that
mm,
also enables us to have
mm,
a great pipeline of
mm,
companies that are going to mature over a
mm.
variety of different time horizons, to then become hopefully ready for acquisition by Olympus.